Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Emily Horler and I'm here with Nicolò Romani of SIA. And we're at EBA Day 2016 in Milan. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
How has the instant payments landscape in Europe changed in the past 12 months?
Really, the last 12 months has been a very big change in the mindset of the banking system regarding instant payment. I remember that exactly 1 year ago, in the previous EBA Day, the question was, do we need this instant payment? While 12 months later, let's say today, the question is when instant payment will become new normal. So completely different approach. And let's say one key element is that more about 40 banks decide to start the first pilot next April, so in advance with the formal deadline. So I think that really there is a big commitment on this new development.
What are the challenges and opportunities of instant payments for banks, PSPs and infrastructures?
I think that the main challenge is for the banking system, for the banks, is to leverage on instant payment to enlarge the value chain of the offer. Instead of being only a payment provider, banks can transform the offer in terms of a service provider. And let's do some examples. With instant payment, banks can join, for instance, the signature of a contract with the payment of the contract itself. And also invoice can be connected with payment. And so the bank can really make leverage on instant payment to create new offer, new services for its clients.
What are some of the success stories in the instant payment space and what can we learn from them?
Well, to be honest, the only successful story on instant payment is in England as a faster payment, which is not instant payment 100%, but is something similar, has been really a success story. Started many years ago and now, let's say, is the new normal. But there are some other examples of services that let the customer be on the instant payment world in advance. I refer to something like services like mobile pay or the Jiffy in Italy. And let's say I think that they are really success stories. In Italy, on these services, there are 23 banks that joined. And they are developing services both on P2P, so that is money transfer between private citizens, and this year they are moving in P2B, so real standard payments with merchants, both online and physical. And I think they are really very important stories in which the banks are making experiments, are finding how exactly what are the customer needs, and they are preparing themselves for the instant payment to come, so that we can leverage on services and infrastructure to become the new normal.
Nicolò, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.